Here we are, Tuesday, May 2nd at the Longhorn Classic, and this is the second or third day that we've been letting the birds out into the aviary. First thing in the morning, as soon as the sun comes up, they can come out onto the landing board, but once it gets a little bit warmer, a little bit later in the day, I think right now it's about 9 o'clock or 9:30, we go ahead and open up the landing board so that they can come out into the aviary. Okay, I feel like giving away a cap, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over here with all these birds that are out and see the first one that I can see the band number. I'll give a cap to that breeder. Can I see any band numbers? Almost. If I had better eyesight. I do have my contacts in, but I still can't see very good. Those little numbers. "527. I see 527 right there. So if we only have one bird with 527 in the system, that's the winner. Winner, winner. Blue bar.